We're back to Rex. It was a crisp, cool day on the railroad of Union Pacific when suddenly a steam engine was about to come, and some teenagers were acting stupid and tried to race the train against the crossing, but they got stuck instead. At the last minute, when the train came, it switched upon another track. Another locomotive came and crashed into the teenager's car. This was very, and anytime he dares to do something stupid, he would just have to back off for a second. Harlan, New York. It was about to be for the train to leave. Some EF units were carrying a long freight train, but then the truck wasn't thawed off though. The train slammed right into the truck. But anytime he dares to go against the train and the truck thaws, he has to accept the challenge for good.